Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily change your SIP date if you're using Groww application. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Groww application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Now it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now once you're on mutual fund section, make sure to select SIP over here at the top, and after that it will list all the SIPs you have invested in. So currently you can see I have one SIP, so I want to change the date for it. Now currently it is set to 20th of each month. Just simply tap on the SIP option on the next page. You can check out the SIP details. You get an option of change amount or date over here. So if you want to change your amount or date, simply select this option. Now on the next page, you can change the amount if you want to, but if you don't want to change it, keep it as it is. But down here you can see you get an option to change the date. So if I tap on that, and currently as I told you, my date is selected to 20th of each month. I want to change it to 10th of each month. After selecting the date, make sure to select confirm option. So once the amount and date is finalized, make sure to select save changes once again. It will show you a pop-up screen like this. It is saying that confirm new amount and date. If you want to confirm it, you can tap on confirm option. It will ask you to enter OTP. So you will receive an OTP on your registered email ID and mobile number. So once you enter the OTP, after few seconds, you can see the date change request is generated and it will be processed by 30 May 2025. Sometime it might take 1 or 2 days. Always make sure to change the SIP date 1 week before the actual date. So don't forget that. So that's how simple it is to change SIP date in Groww application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.